This is the OSHA 10 training.
How's it feel?
Good. Secure.
It's gonna look really cool to have retrofit on my resume.
The advantage is that we get training and we get experience.
If I put my hand in there, I would get shot.
Get free training, you get an OSHA certification, you get your retrofit certification.
See how much that stretches?
Getting these trainings is very beneficial.
This is our second day of OSHA. It's been pretty cool.
It's a 2-day training.
This will open up.
Going through PowerPoints, taking practice quizzes, going over review sheets, and
That's gonna blow up.
going over all kind of safety rules and regulations and everything.
Will be safe to do that type of.
We are about to do more hands-on things. We just did the harness today. That was fun. It was a little scary at first putting it on. When I actually did hang from the rope, it was pretty secure. Yeah, I was safe.
Doing the scaffold, scaffold training, learning how to build the scaffolding and disassemble it, ladder safety.
It's fun getting the feel of things, and I think it's really cool that we get to have our OSHA card.
The amount of certifications and trainings that we're going to get are pretty much priceless.
Certifications in installing electrical, wiring, and
I'd like to get into the energy field, so I figured, why not join the Energy Corps, given its name. Okay.
You're getting free training, you're working, and then they're gonna give you a scholarship to look amazing on your resume.
It's actual experience, it relates to everything that I plan on doing in the near future.